In the last 2 years, I have tried, reviewed, and thoroughly studied 5 different cleaning routines. I found what works and what doesn't work. I've learned from you guys what you need and what you don't need. But through all of this, the most important thing I've discovered is that there's really only one true way to keep your home clean. So, here it is. Kick your husband and kids out. It's the only way.
What did you say?
Oh, nothing. Nothing. Kick them out. You hear me? Kick them out. But all joking aside, I believe there are 5 daily tasks you should be implementing into your current cleaning system for a clean and organized home. Of course, these can't be the only 5 things that you do, but I hope you will include them into your daily routine because they are going to be the tasks that keep your home feeling somewhat under control. And I don't know about you, but at this time in my life, somewhat under control sounds pretty good to me. Okay, so the first task that should be included in every cleaning routine is washing the dishes daily. I like to argue that this is the most important cleaning task of the home. A couple of the cleaning routines that I've reviewed failed to even mention dishes, but they need to be mentioned because when the dishes are out of control, the home feels out of control. And when the home feels out of control, I feel out of control. And when I feel out of control, well... I eat a lot, and that makes even more dishes. But even besides my unhealthy snacking issues, we still eat 3 meals a day, and by the end of the night, your sink should be full. If you're not making it a priority to do your dishes on a daily basis, then you're gonna turn into me back in 2019 when I used to shove my dishes into garbage bags to shove under my bed when company was coming. And guess what? That didn't make them magically go away. Therefore, whether you follow a cleaning routine or not, make sure to do your dishes every day because that is step 1 to getting in control of your messy home. The next daily task every cleaning routine should include is cleaning the shower. Yes, every day. Let me explain. The bathtub gets grimy so fast. I mean, just wait a week and it starts turning orange. Why is orange grime seeping out of my skin? I don't know. I don't know where the orange is coming from, but all I know is that it appears every 7 days and it's gross. And many cleaning routines only have you cleaning your bathrooms once a week. So now when it's time to clean your bathtub, you have to get on your hands and knees and scrub it. And that's assuming that you even get to cleaning your tub. I mean, if I chose Monday to be a bathroom cleaning day, am I not gonna prioritize the sinks and toilets first? And then when I turn around and find that my toddler has been drawing on the walls with marker for the last 5 minutes, suddenly I don't have time to spend 10 minutes on the bathtub and it gets neglected. Or maybe something comes up on a Monday and once again, it gets neglected. And then 3 weeks pass and now cleaning the tub is like an hour-long job because I waited so long to do it. This is my experience with scheduling once-a-week bathroom cleanings. It just doesn't work. But if you wipe down the shower every day, it will only take you 1 minute because by doing it daily, you never give the opportunity for soap scum or mildew to grow. And even better, you can make this super simple by doing it while you take a shower. Yeah, I just keep a little bottle of Dawn dish soap and a cloth in my shower, and after I'm done washing my hair, I give it a quick swipe. And by tying this task to something that you're already in the habit of doing, being showering, then you won't forget to do it. It will quickly become a habit. Right after I finish conditioning my hair, that is my time to wipe down the tub. I don't even think I spend more than 30 seconds doing it. It's that easy when you do it every day. I like to take turns too. Monday, I'll swipe the tub. Tuesday, I'll wipe the shower walls. And then Wednesday, I'll swipe the tub again. That way, I'm not spending too much time doing it, but it gets kept up with. So clean your shower daily and then you'll never have to scrub it. The next daily task every cleaning system should include is a 10-minute tidy. This task is so important. I mean, how can you even clean your floors or surfaces if they are covered in toys and envelopes? These quick daily tidies are crucial, not just for maintaining access to surfaces to clean, but also for your sanity. I mean, your floors could be mopped, tables wiped, couches vacuumed, but if they are all drowning in clutter, well then your house will always appear messy and you'll feel consistently behind. How can we take pride in our homes if we can't even see our homes? So we need these quick tidies every day so that we can clear daily clutter and create an environment that allows us to take pride in our homes. Look at my beautiful rug that I saved my money up to buy. Look at my gorgeous farmhouse table. Okay, yeah, no, I spent $50 on that on Facebook Marketplace. But you get the point. We set up a cleaning routine so that we can have a clean home and feel good about it. But if we aren't spending time on this task of tidying for 10 minutes, then we're not going to feel good about our homes. All we're going to see is the mountain of magnet tiles, the sea of mega blocks, and an explosion of plastic dinosaurs. Who can relate? And if you tidy up your surfaces, then you can get to the next task that every cleaning routine should include, which is to wipe down your surfaces, specifically in the kitchen. This includes making sure dinner is cleaned up and put away and wiping down the tables, counters, the sink, and the oven. So often, I have left dried egg on the oven for days at a time, and that can take a clean kitchen and instantly make it look dirty. And not to mention that you're going to be cooking again tomorrow. Do you really want to have to clean before you cook? I mean, cooking is already a big enough job as is. And if last night's mess is in the way, well, you may just be tempted to order a pizza instead. I think that next to the bathroom, the kitchen is the most important room in the house to keep clean. It's probably the room that we spend the most time in. Because are you not being asked constantly, what's for dinner? What's for lunch? Where's my banana? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I want an ice pop. Can you make cake? What's for snack? What should I eat? Ah! I think I'm gonna bulldoze the kitchen.
You're gonna what?
What? Nothing. You're fine. Tear it down. But seriously, I cook just one meal, and my counters are covered in who's-its and what's-its. They need to be wiped every day. Because even if I put the food away, well, if the counters are dirty, then the kitchen never truly feels put back together. And if you wait too long to wipe them, then your counters will turn into the Rocky Mountains, and you'll have to pull out a paint scraper just to get off the 5-day-old Alfredo sauce. I know this from experience. So, wipe your kitchen surfaces daily. It will make your space feel so much cleaner and enjoyable to be in. And the next task that should be included in every cleaning routine is vacuuming the kitchen floors. Unless you have pets, then you may have to vacuum more than just the kitchen. But in my experience, there is no floor that gets more covered in crumbs than my kitchen floor. It's the room we cook in. For some of us, it's the room we eat in. It's the room that I often have to clean old dried banana chunks from. It gets pretty gross in there. And I find that if I even miss 2 days vacuuming, well then I'm saying hello again to my old friend, Mr. Scraper. So if you put it into your nightly routine to sweep or vacuum the kitchen right after dinner, I think it will make your cleaning routine more efficient, and it will give your kitchen a fresh feel each day. A cleaning routine that focuses on keeping a kitchen clean is a cleaning routine that wins. Speaking of winning and cleaning, check out this video next that talks about how to clean when cleaning your home feels impossible. What I share with you there, you can add to your weekly cleaning routine, and it will be game-changing. Just check it out already. I know you're gonna love it. I'll see you there.